Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix any Tesla keycard not working in 2025. Quick and easy. If your keycard isn't unlocking your car or starting it up, don't worry. I've got you covered with simple solutions you can try right away. Let's get started. First is take the keycard out of your wallet. Make sure the car is awake, press the door handle once, then try again. Take the keycard out of your wallet. Hold the flat face of the card against the driver's B-pillar, just below the side camera area. Hold still for 1 to 2 seconds. Flip the card and try again. Start the car from the correct inside reader. Clean and eliminate interference. Wipe dust/grit off the B-pillar glass and charger/console area. If it's not work by this method, try to book Tesla service from the app. And that's it. Super quick and easy fix for your Tesla keycard in 2025. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.